This is my Mobylette AV92, renovated in 2 years ago. It's 49 years old now, and I skipped the coil that produces that is normally sitting over there, and that produces the voltage for the headlight and the rear light and the blinking lights that were over here somewhere. I skipped it and I replaced it with lithium polymer batteries, and I'm going to show you how I made it. That's rear light working now, and the front light very bright. I can switch it from low to high. Also there is the horn working bright. When it is fully charged, it will show 12.6 volts. That's 3 batteries of 4.2 volts together, 12.6. There is a switch over here with which I can switch off the complete power, and there is a connector for a lithium polymer charger, I must say, and I will show you how to connect that. There is a switch over here with which I can cut the lights and make the horn blow. Okay, I'll switch this off, remove this. Well, what do we see here? A fuse that cuts maybe at 5 amperes or so, I don't remember. A fuse holder in the plus wire. There is a plus wire going to this voltage meter, and of course there's a plus wire coming from this charger connector. Yes, well, that's about the plus wires. This is the battery over there. I'll disconnect it and I'll show you the size. It's 2 times 3 batteries, so 3 in series, and that times 2 in parallel. Good. Well, then there is this XT60 connectors. Well, then a battery has a plus and a minus. The plus is wired with as much as possible with red wires, and the minus, that's the bike itself. The bike itself is a wire, but the negative wire from the battery, this black one, is going to this bolt, and to this bolt there is a wire going to the steering handle, to the horn, to the minus of this, that's connected also with this bolt, the minus of the charging point, and the minus, of course, of the voltage meter, and that's about it. And let me take a look. Yeah, here the minus of the voltage meter is connected with this metal, but that goes over there, so that saves 1 wire. It's more compact like that. Okay, then we have this point over here where all the earth connectors are collected. Yeah, well, of course the plus wire is going directly to the switch over here to be directed to the rear light, I must say, and to the front light. And well, yeah, that's about it for how it's connected. And to charge and to look at the charge level, here's the battery, and here is the so-called lithium polymer voltage checker, and these balancing wires are black, red, 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 which means that the black is the minus, so this is the minus, so that should be that one, that should be connected over there, and then he will show the total voltage and the individual voltages of the three groups of parallel cells. You see, this is the official way to measure a lithium polymer battery. Normally a good BMS does that silently, but you can do that actively like this too. It will give an alarm, a noisy alarm even, when the voltage becomes too low or too high for one or other reason, but never allow a battery, never allow a cell with a voltage higher than 4.2, because there is explosion risk. If it is fitted with a BMS like this one, then you can charge it with a simple lithium-ion charger like this one. But if it's not, and I prefer to charge it, I prefer not to use BMS mounted on a battery, because the quality is often not good. These are two hobby chargers, a cheap one, a more expensive one, the best one. And to charge, you simply connect it like this. The balance wires over there, and then put it in a safe place on a metal surface, generally somewhere not next to your cash money, and then you can select the type of battery you are charging, lithium polymer. So I select enter. He says I can charge, I can balance charge, I can discharge, I can do a storage level charging, etc., etc. But balance charging, then he will guard the batteries. So right now it's indicated balance charge. I say start. I can select the amperage, the charging amperage. That's 2.0, that's okay. Then I can select the number of cells and also the final voltage. I have a 3S battery, 11.1 nominal voltage. I push enter. He checks if everything is well connected. When I say once more battery check, and then I say confirm, and he will start charging, and he will fill up until 12.6. To see the individual cells, I push plus, 4.11, 4.11, 4.11. So they are well balanced, and he will keep it like that. Only for, well, let's say when you are traveling with a tent, with your Mobylette, and you are on the way and you have to charge the batteries, you can use a charger like this. The consumption of the head beam and rear light altogether is only a few watts, so my estimation is that you can drive the Mobylette about 6 hours before the battery really needs some charging. Okay guys, thanks for watching.